We think of numbers as just quantities, but integers have something more: direction. They live on a number line, stretching infinitely left and right from zero. This concept of direction is the key to mastering them, moving beyond just knowing the rules to understanding why they work. Think of addition and subtraction as movement. Adding 5 means taking 5 steps to the right. Subtracting 3 means 3 steps to the left. But what about subtracting a negative, like 7 minus -2? It's a double instruction. The subtraction says face left, but the negative sign says do the opposite. So you turn around and walk right. 7 minus -2 becomes 7 plus 2. Always simplify these double signs first to avoid confusion. Multiplication and division follow a simple code. If the signs are the same, positive times positive or negative times negative, the result is always positive. If the signs are different, the result is negative. But why is a negative times a negative a positive? Imagine you are losing $5 an hour. That's a rate of -5. What was your financial situation 2 hours ago? That's a time of -2. Multiplying them, -5 by -2 gives +10. 2 hours ago, you were $10 richer. It's pure logic. Finally, we bring it all together with the order of operations, BODMAS. This is where precision is critical, especially with a classic trap, the squared negative. Is -4 squared the same as -4 in brackets squared? Absolutely not. Without brackets, in -4 squared, you square the 4 first to get 16, then apply the negative. The answer is -16. But with brackets, you're squaring the entire -4. -4 times -4. The signs are alike, so the answer is +16. Brackets are everything. Remember, signs are direction, absolute value is distance, and brackets are shields. Master these ideas, and integers stop being a puzzle and start becoming a language.